Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Talks Asia. How are you all doing? That's great. Uh, Today we're going to speak about Google Translate. I'm going to show you step-by-step process. So let's start. From the Google Play Store, you need to download Translate. That's Google Translate. This is more safer than any other translating software or app that you're going to use. I've already installed it and it is very handy. Trust me, it's very handy. So once you go here, open up, and I'm going to show you few of the demos. Once you install, you need to select any languages, whichever you want to speak. Let me keep Hindi because it's in India. We need to use more of these languages, Malayalam, English, these are the, so whichever are there here towards my right side, you can download this with the download arrow which are given. So if I want Africans, it's 44 MB, so I don't require all that. If whichever you want, you can download it. So I just kept this. So we will try as per Hindi. Go outside and you can try. We'll just try in Marathi. It's very simple. Start this. आप कैसे हो?
आपण कसे आहात?
दिल्ली में तापमान कितना है?
दिल्लीत तापमान किती आहे?
मैं कहाँ पे हूँ?
मी कुठे आहे?
मैं कहाँ जा सकता हूँ?
मी कुठे जाऊ शकतो?
रेलवे स्टेशन किधर है?
रेल्वे स्टेशन कुठे आहे?
एयरपोर्ट किधर है?
विमानतळ कुठे आहे?
So this is the way you can speak and translate. You can even choose English and start. How are you?
तू कसा आहेस?
You can even choose these languages. Malayalam. How are you?
എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട്?
How is your brother?
നിന്റെ സഹോദരന് സുഖമാണോ?
How is Kerala right now?
കേരളം ഇപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്?
Who is your father? I'm just joking.
നിങ്ങളുടെ പിതാവ് ആരാണ്?
Okay, this was just a fun. So yes, now you can see that you can choose an option of languages and you can do that. Of course, it does has a camera feature also where you can check the languages around and you can tap around and check. That's the reason it will give you an optimization and read those languages. Example, if you have some other text or in front of you which you want to translate, that you can translate into some other languages. That's it guys. Hope you like this channel and hope you like my video. Please like, share and please subscribe so that I can give you every tips on the day-to-day life, what is happening and how it is useful right now in a COVID situation where people are not able to find their way home. So this is the best way you can do. And whoever you have a problem understanding the languages, please use this software and make them use this software more often. Thank you so much.